Hello, I hope everyone's doing well. Today we're going to be searching for finite differences, and this helps us determine the degree of a polynomial function. So let's say they tell you that this table represents certain values for a polynomial function, and they're asking you to find the nth degree of this polynomial function. Well, it's very simple. You just take the y values. So let's say at term 1, let's say it was x equal to 1, and then x equal to 2, x equal to 3, and so on. We have at x equal to 1, the value was equal to 2, so you could say y equals to 2. And then at x equal to 2, y equals to 5, and so on and so on. So how do I find the first difference for this polynomial function? Well, you subtract 5 from 2. Oopsie daisy. Okay, you subtract 5 from 2. What do we get? 5 minus 2, which simply equals to 3, right? So that's the first term. That's the first difference. And we do 10 minus 5, which equals to 5. 17 minus 10, which equals to 7. 26 minus 17, which equals to 9. 37 minus 26, which is simply 11. Now let's find the second difference, which is 5 minus 3, which equals to 2. 7 minus 5, which equals to 2. 9 minus 7, which equals to 2. 11 minus 9, which equals to 2. As you can tell, we have the same exact value for the second difference, and that basically means that we have a second degree to this polynomial. Remember, we're searching for the nth degree, and once you have the same value for that certain difference, it doesn't, for let's say an nth difference, then that nth value would be your degree. And yeah, just don't mistake this. So let's say the second difference was 3, 3, 3, and 3. It's still going to be the second degree. It just happened to be that it was 2. So don't mix that up. It could be 5, 5, and 5, and it's still going to be the second degree. It's not going to be the fifth degree. So the value has nothing to do with the degree. It's just that if the value is equivalent, then you stop at that difference and you take that difference, and that difference would be your degree. Okay, moving on. Let's do another example just for the sake of practice. So 4 minus 1, this equals to 3. 11 minus 4, 7. 26 minus 11 equals to 15, right? 53 minus 26. Don't feel like doing any calculations. Give me 1 second. Okay, this is 27. 96 minus 53. This equals to 43. Okay, let's move on to, this is the first difference. Well, it's obviously not the answer. Moving on to the second difference. 7 minus 3, it equals to 4. We have 5, 3, 8, right? 27, 15, 12. Why am I so slow today? 43 minus 27, 16. Okay. We got 4. Well, it's obviously not the second difference as well, right? So moving on to the third difference. 8, 4, 12, 8, 4. This is 4 as well. Oh, there we go. So it's a third degree, and it's a cubic function. Remember, a cubic function means that we have, let's say, x cubed. We don't know what the coefficient is. It could be like 2, it could be -2, it doesn't matter. But I know that has an nth degree, and you could call the coefficient a. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it for this video. It's quite simple, pretty straightforward. And yeah, thank you for watching.